Hello everyone! Today I'm delighted to share a super easy, quick, and utterly delicious Chinese almond cookie recipe with you. This recipe is not only speedy and simple, but also perfect for those rainy days or chilly evenings. Though let's be honest, it's actually perfect for any occasion when you crave the comforting aroma of freshly baked cookies filling your home. Chinese almond cookies are a traditional treat believed to usher in good fortune in New Year. They're also wonderfully fragrant with an irresistible almond flavor that's bound to captivate your taste buds. If you have never tried those cookies before, they might remind you of shortbread, but they offer a delightful crunch and are less crumbly than traditional shortbread. What sets them apart is the generous infusion of almond flavor derived from almond extract, flour, and sliced almonds, which not only enhances their taste, but fills your kitchen with a delightful almond aroma. To start, we'll add 100 grams of vegetable oil or melted butter with 40 grams of egg in mixing bowl and give a good stir. Then we'll add 1 to 2 drops of almond extract and give a stir again. And next, add all dry ingredients. After combining the dry and wet ingredients together, be gentle as you use a spatula to combine them until there is no more dry flour in the bowl, and you have achieved the dough with a pasty-like consistency. Something like this is what you're looking for. Next, divide the dough into 12 portions total by using a kitchen scale to measure out 30 grams per portion. Then we'll use both hands, roll each portion into a small ball shape. This recipe makes a total of 12 to 13 cookies, with each portion weighing in either 30 grams or 31 grams. When rolling each portion into a bowl shape, make sure to handle them gently. Rolling too firmly can cause difficulties in shaping them into balls, as the dough is soft and can be prone to falling apart during the process. Use your thumb to gently press down right in the middle of each portion to create a small dimple in the center. When you press down to create a dimple in the center, the dough may spread outwards and some of it might become loose around the edges. In such a case, you can gently adjust the shape of each portion and gather the dough around the edges together after pressing down to create a dimple. At this point, I'm preheating oven to 347 Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius. Following this, we'll brush each one of portion evenly with egg wash all around. Lastly, add almond slices on top of each portion of cookie dough. And now they are ready to go in the oven and bake for 16 minutes at 347 Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius. After 16 minutes of baking, you'll have this beautiful fragrant almond cookies. Your house will be filled with a delightful scent of almonds. They are perfect to enjoy with a cup of coffee or hot tea. Or you can simply use them as a delicious snack. Isn't this a super easy and a quick treat? I hope you're inspired to give a try. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Happy cooking, everyone!